welcome to this Friday edition of Second Grade News. Today is September 11th, 2020. Let's stand and join Hannah as she says the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job, guys, and thanks, Hannah, for being our guest pledge announcer this week. All right, guys, today in reading, we are going to be finishing up A Bad Case of the Stripes. You're going to be completing your vocabulary quiz, and you're also going to have a writing assignment and directed drawing of Camilla Cream, and it's really fun. All right, in math, you're going to be practicing some skills on MobyMax. So you're going to have to do 20 minutes of MobyMax time, and that's all you have for math today. Don't forget, today we are going to be finishing up our dibbles, and after today we should be DONE done, and I'm so excited. And I'm also so proud of you guys for how hard you guys have worked. We also have one more test to take today, which is STAR Math, and it's just like we did the STAR reading last week, except it will be the STAR Math, okay? Now, what you're going to need, you need a piece of paper, so a blank piece of paper for your STAR Math test, and a pencil. That way you can work out any problems and show your work when you get there, okay? So when you're taking your STAR Math test today, you need a blank piece of paper and a pencil for you to show your work on, all right? Now, today is Friday, which means it is time for Funny Friday. And it's not Miss Gates telling our joke this week. It is actually Anna from our class. So I'm going to turn it over to Anna for our Funny Friday joke.
Why did the student eat his homework? Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Great job, Anna, and I love that joke. I would eat my homework if it was a piece of cake, too. Remember, if you want to submit a funny joke for Funny Friday, have your parents video you in a horizontal position. So remember, the camera needs to be turned horizontal so it's long ways so that it fits good in our news. And then send that video to Miss Gates. You can do it on Seesaw, or you can do it through Remind or email, whichever way works best. But I cannot wait to hear all of your Funny Friday jokes. All right, I'm going to turn it over to Calendar, and then we will be ready to start today's day. All right, guys, let's get started with Calendar today. We're going to start by saying our days of the week. Here we go. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Now, yesterday was Thursday, which means today is Friday. Whoop, whoop. Today is Friday. Oh, I messed that up. Oh, I just put the wrong one. Today is Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Very good. Remember, we are in the month of September, so let's spell that together. Here we go. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. Very good. Now, if you remember from yesterday's lesson, we said that our pattern this month is an A-B pattern. And every time that we see a red square, we can say A. And anytime we see a yellow rectangle, we're going to say the letter B. All right? So instead of saying red, yellow today, we're going to read our pattern in an A-B pattern. So here we go. A-B, 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 A-B. Think about it. What should today be? Today our letter would be A. What is our A? I want you to pause your video and draw it on your calendar now. If you said A was a red square, you are correct. Very good. So today's date is a red, or today's date tag is a red square. Let's say today's date together. Today is Friday, September 11, 2020. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and I need my markers. Can you bring get my markers right over there by the table? The black one and the red one. All right, so here we go. All right, let's look at our hundreds chart. We know that yesterday was the 23rd day of school, so that means that today is the 24th day of school, and our pattern is continuing. We have a 4 in the ones place in each one of these numbers, and a 1, and the number in the tens column goes up by 10 each time. All right, now let's add a ones cube to our chart and see what number we have today. So we are going to be coloring in one more square in your chart, which means that instead of 23, we now have 2 tens and 4 ones. So our number of the day is 24. Good job. We're going to add a penny to our pocket while we say our penny chant. So here we go. Ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, coppery, brown, and worth 1 cent. Very good. All right, so we're going to put that in our pocket. So in yours, you should have 2 dimes and 4 pennies. All right, so let's say our dime chant, and then we will count our money. Here we go. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Very good. All right, so we are going to count by tens when we count our dimes, and then we're going to count by ones when we count our pennies. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20, skipping, 21, 22, 23, 24. Very good. So today we have 24 cents or $0.24. Very good. Now we're going to move on and we're going to add a minute around our clock. So yesterday we had been around the clock 23 minutes. Today, let's see how many we've been around. Remember, when we get to a big number, we count by 5s until we can't count anymore. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. I can't go all the way to this one yet, so we're going to have to count by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24. So our time is 1:24. Very good. All right, let's look at our counting patterns. Today, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to count by 5s. That's our yellow counting rope all the way to 100. Here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. And then we're going to count by tens all the way to 100. That's our blue counting chart. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Today we're going to be counting by 5s, and we are going to start at the number 220. All right, so let's go ahead and put the number 220 in our starting place. 220. You're going to pause your video, and then you are going to fill in your pattern. When you're done, unpause it, and let's see if you were correct. Here we go. We have 220, 225, 230, 235, 240, 245, 250, 255, 260, 265. Very good. All right, I hope you guys have a fabulous day and you enjoy your Friday. I'll see you next week.